How IT departments can easily implement Meeedly. Congratulations on bringing Meeedly into your organization. In this video series, you will learn how to quickly and effectively deploy Meeedly across your company. If you are an IT administrator, follow these steps to ensure a smooth and successful implementation. We have simplified the process so your organization can start using Meeedly with maximum productivity from day one. Implementing Meeedly the right way. To ensure Meeedly is properly implemented, it is important to follow these recommended guidelines. Step 1. Create an admin email. Create a dedicated email account such as meeedly@yourorganization.com and assign it the required administrative privileges. You can purchase Meeedly using any email address. However, an administrative level account is required to deploy and manage Meeedly across your organization. For details on required permissions based on your workspace, that is Microsoft or Google, refer to Meeedly's documentation. Complete your business profile. Navigate to Settings and complete your business profile. Ensure all information is accurate, as this will be used across your organization and in external coordination. Step 3. Onboard your team. Prepare a list of team members who need access to Meeedly. Use the Team Onboarding feature to add users. You can onboard up to 200 users at once. Once added, users will receive an onboarding email. They can access the Meeedly dashboard using their workspace email. Streamlining external meeting coordination. One of Meeedly's most powerful features is its ability to streamline coordination with external organizations. This step involves working closely with each department to identify and connect with key external stakeholders. Step 1. Identify external stakeholders. Collaborate with each department to create a list of external organizations they regularly interact with. For each organization, collect relevant email addresses and send Meeedly Connect invitations through the Meeedly dashboard. For best results, send invitations directly to the external organization's IT department to ensure faster processing and acceptance. Establish connections. Follow up to ensure all Meeedly Connect requests are accepted and properly configured. You can check this simply by typing the email addresses of those organizations in the Meeedly Slots Finder and view it if it still displays Setup notification. Once connected, your teams can seamlessly coordinate meetings with these external organizations. You do not need to complete all connections at once. Implement this progressively, department by department. Inform each department as soon as their connections are ready. And any team member can also send Meeedly Connect requests when needed. A data collection template is available in your Meeedly dashboard to help you gather stakeholder information efficiently. Feel free to download and use it. Once these steps are completed, your organization is fully equipped to use Meeedly for efficient, intelligent meeting coordination. Enjoy more productive and streamlined meetings.